Hi there, little music stars. Welcome to the Instrument Wonderland. Do you know what makes music super exciting and fun to dance to? That's right, the drums. Look at this big round instrument. It's called a drum set. It's like a musical playground full of fun sounds. We have the big bass drum that goes boom. The snare drum goes tap, tap. And these shiny plates? They're called cymbals. They go crash. When we play the drums, we use drumsticks, kind of like magic wands for music. Drummers keep the beat, like a heartbeat for every song. Without drums, music would feel a little sleepy. But with drums, it's party time. So if you love to move, dance, and make rhythm, maybe the drums are your perfect instrument. Let's feel the beat together.